down the Darjeeling tent. And we're wanting to see a good tight game. Last one got a bit carried away. Turned up to be a bit of a flogging, so let's see what we've got here. Quick single off the pads. I think fair to say the Darjeeling's had a good tournament. Yep. Hoping to win here, and this is the Shield, I think. I got this right. Oh, he's giving him. Wow, that's contentious. That's a contentious call. He's coming down the pitch. And the umpire was a bit of a trigger finger, I thought.
Is that a Herb?
Well, 1 for 1 here in the opening over.
Is that a Herb?
We've seen early wickets now in 2 of the last finals. These stray cats look a bit too fit for my liking for a Sixers team, but they've struck early. Oh, beautiful shot. Just placed that one. There's a huge gap out there. Proper cricket shot, that. Whoa, that looks like a leg bye. Very valuable runs.
4 leg byes a signal. Very handy stuff.
Running out. Yeah, old age killed me.
And Scott's here with his first over. Score 9-4.
You're a long time retired, aren't you? Yeah, exactly. Thanks for your support anyway.
Oh, that's nicely played. Just dab down there. Just the single. Oh, beautiful shot there, but the fielder's been well positioned. Just the single. Well, at the early wicket, some runs came. Bit of recovery there. I think we're looking at 1 for 11. This very first over.
So, 1 over on the board. Single for last delivery to Greg Moses. He's in return the strike. Score 11-4.
Oh yes, nicely played. Just off his, turns it away off his toes for 1. Stray Cats team very disciplined, very young, very fit. Looking for 2. Nope. Ooh, no. Almost an overthrow, but it's early days, no need to panic. Down the ground. Calling for 2. No. Strong arms, these boys. So the ones are coming. The singles are coming consistently, but I imagine they'll be wanting to hit the boundaries pretty soon. Like that. Now, will he clear it? He will. Just what the doctor required. Really needed to clear that fence as we hear Rod's trumpet blaring away in the background there.
Score 24.
Plain or miss. Good reply by the bowler.
It's unopened yet. Thank you very much. We just put it back there away.
And he's got him. Caught behind. Big nick there. You could hear it from here.
Well, caught behind. Good delivery from Lloyd.
Another wicket falls.
So Paul Sapley has to go 2 wickets down for Darjeeling.
Yeah, 2 for 10. That's not
So
a
overs gone.
tragic run rate, but the wickets are falling. Regular intervals.
Oh, the kids, same as yesterday. Well, they are playing. All the boys made the final to play.
Oh, leg side. Variable wide. Two for 24.
Jeff Lyons scored the 3rd over as ever here for the Stray Cats.
Oh, another variable 4. So the wickets are falling, but the run rate is just creeping up now. 13 extras could come back and hurt the Stray Cats. They really need to adjust their line, one would think. Oh.
We'll have them.
Moves the 32. This is proving to be a good over after all. Well, just the one. Yeah, looking for 2. These Stray Cats are not slow. Comes in quickly, turns the ball quickly. And I think we're on to the 4th over here. Oh, hits him. Another leg by. And that's over. So, if I'm reading the score correctly, it's the... I think it's...
down 35 for 2.
12 and over. That will bring the score up to approximately 60, and that has proven to be a very competitive scoreline in this finals day, both semi-finals and finals. Teams have quite successfully chased down 60, but also teams have defended 60, so... Yeah, there should be 2 in that, one would think. No, here they come. This will be a close one. Close. But Andy has done it. Down the ground he goes. And that's 6.
Wonderful shot.
Beautiful shot.
From Greg Moses. 6 straight over the bowler's head.
And again, that's cleared the fence by some distance. And this is becoming a very competitive total now. Darjeeling have worked their way back into this game after some early wickets with some power hitting here in the 4th over. They're a young team, the Stray Cats. I'm interested to see if they can compose themselves from here. Oh. He wanted a piece of that. Sailed past the edge of his bat. Oh, wide.
We like that.
It's a sporting shoe.
Now pushing it over 50 and score in the mid-60s isn't beyond possibility here. This is a tremendous fight back. Oh, he's had a fair slice of that.
Not where Greg Moses intended, but 6 runs nonetheless. 4 more. That's the end of the 4th over. And just before the 5th over, with a message coming from Rick Viking Davis.
All right, with 1 wicket, with 1 over to go, I should say. 57 runs on the board, and a score of 70 would be on the cards, and that would be very competitive. Stray Cats are moving themselves around the field, adjusting their positions, but some big hitting might make that all irrelevant. Let's see what happens here. Let's see whether this is a vital over here. This could be the difference between a competitive total and a winning total. Good first ball there, but well run. Just keeping the scoreboard ticking. Oh, that's a lovely shot. Fielder there, but a bit of a fumble, but 2 runs off this over so far.
59 for 2 here in the final over.
Where's your drink, Kev? Kev, where's your drink?
Oh, yes. There's no one down there.
Come on, Greg! Yeah! Shot!
And it's gone to the fence again. Onto the 3rd man boundary. Slightly fortuitous perhaps from when they timed well, but it all counts.
Beautifully worked down there through the vacant slips region. And with about 3 balls left, I think. No, is it 2 or 3? Yeah, we'll find out. 63 on the board. It's a good delivery. Will they be looking for 2? Yes, they are. Here comes the young fella. But that's beautifully run.
Well run, Andy!
Great bit of fielding, but Darjeeling, a more experienced side, it seems to me. Seems to have the answer.
2 becomes.
There's 2 to go. It's another. Alright, so Greg's facing the final delivery here. Sitting on the score, I think it's 66. 65? Yeah, 66. So 4 would bring up to the 70 mark. That's been very hard to chase. Oh, he's got onto that, but the player out there, he's got it. Are they going to run 2 miles? Well, yes. So 2 runs off the last ball means gets us total up to 68, and that's the highest score we've seen so far today in these for the finals. It'll be enough. The young fellas will undoubtedly have some enthusiasm, but will they have the experience?
Will it be enough? We'll find out once the teams organise themselves and come back out. Greg Moses will be bowling the opening over from the clubhouse end. The non-strikers end, Keith Thompson with Eamon Scott on strike.
So Darjeeling have put on 68 runs here, and that's going to be a challenging score against this young team. Let's see how they travel. Oh, that's a beautiful shot. But will be cut off. Yes, it will. Oh, going for 2. He's out. Oh my gosh.
Completed 2 runs, 10 for 3. Miscommunication, and that's the first wicket down.
Well, the inexperience of the stray cat showed right there. Just really, there was never 2 in that. It was the first ball. No need for that. And oh, they just choked on that one. A great early strike for Darjeeling. Here we go. Second delivery. Oh, another late cut, but once again, well positioned. They're looking for 2. Oh, they're nervous. The stray cats really need to compose themselves here. He's gone down the field and he's dropped it short. He's caught it wide. Why would you want to come running down to the pitch to a fast bowler is beyond me. And that's nice. Can we go for 2? Oh, no.
Yes, the Clifton batsman had second thoughts. Once bitten, twice shy. Score equal 1 here in the opening over.
Oh, that's nicely played, but once again, it's straight to the fielder. And then going for 2, the throw is wide, and they'll get it comfortably. So, still going down the pitch, but only manages to get it to the back to the bowler. Now, my memory serves me correct. The Darjeeling were 1 for 10 after the first over too, so both teams are in the same position.
Strikeouts.
Come on, J-Dot!
Alright, let's see what Jason has for us. Strikeouts looking around the field.
Jason Brown to ball the second over for Darjeeling.
Let's see what we've got here. Oh, that's a beautiful shot, but must be said some wonderful feeling off his own bowling. Strikeouts just need to place a little bit better, one would think, and they'll give this target a fair crack. 68's a considerable scoreboard pressure, but if they start getting those boundaries, anything can happen. Oh, it's economical bowling. Down the field.
Get it in, get it.
Just the one.
Attack it, attack it. Good, Ash. Well on, that's good.
Good boys!
Good, Ash, good.
Here's Thompson looking for a bit of infection, but he finds the fielder again, just a single.
This is tight stuff.
Well on, Andy.
Just
Well
one
on,
off the,
stop.
just one leg by. I need more than this.
So ball 14 for 1 here in the second over.
Oh, there it goes. It's up. That looks like a 6. Beautiful shot there. Bit top edge, but got 6 runs, and it was exactly what they required, the Stray Cats.
Here's Thompson leant back, he just beat the rope.
So much needed 6. I'll be looking for more. Oh, gee. Another good bowl. Some cagey bowling.
Qualified over, this time from Jason Brown. So the score after 2 overs is 20 for 1 wicket, 69 the required target. New bowler, Etienne Vista.
Another lovely shot. That is a great shot. That's straight down the ground for 4. More of that is needed from the Stray Cats. They've only got 24 runs off 2.1 overs, and so the boundary will have to be found more often than not here. They are chasing a considerable score. They got 48 off 3 overs. It can be done. You have to work for it. Another great shot, but this time the fielder is there, looking for 2, and they'll take it. playing a miss. But still take the single. Good running.
Nice scampered through to the keeper. $27 here. Clifton Hill Stray Cats. They needed some lusty blows, one feels.
And that's a nice, just off the back foot. Comfortable too in the end, but more will be required if they're going to catch this total. Around the halfway mark, and they're 29 chasing 68. Something will have to start cracking on here. Someone will have to start getting these runs. He got in.
Clean him up.
Great ball. Oh, that's in.
No doubt about that. Burnett just scattered asunder.
Alright, the job just got that little bit harder. 2 for 29. Coming to the close of the third over. Not there yet, but
That's the end of this
just a few to go. Well, it is the end. No, it's not.
Keith Thompson departs, which brings Jeff Lyons to the crease. 29 for 2 the score.
Oh. Yeah.
Very helpful contribution. By
Very streaky stroke, but it'll get the
Israel.
4 that they need.
The final ball of the third over, which sets the score out to 33
Right.
2.
Well,
They concluded the third over. The
they'll
ball
need
moves
30.
on to the Gold Course end.
They'll need 36 off the last 2 overs. So you imagine that the Stray Cats here are going to have a red hot go at this. There's nothing to lose now. It's the finals. Last game for both teams in this tournament. Still comes down the pitch, but it seems to work for him. Just looks like they're going to pick up the 2 here.
So the first ball, Paul Sapley's over, goes down the ground for 2 more runs.
Oh, it's a wide. Don't want to be giving away too many of those. The extras are only 10, so it's been good bowling so far. Very disciplined. Just a nice little dab down there. Brown comes along, picks it up. Oh, he's gone one. He's run out.
Season, Clifton Hill Straight Cats.
That was a beautiful throw. Straight here in front of us.
Magnificent return from Jason Brown.
Well done, Jason.
Complete 3 runs.
Great stuff, mate. Well done, Brownie.
It really was a wonderful piece of bowling. They had to run through. I guess they needed to, but Brown was more than up for it with a great return straight over the stumps, and he was out. So wickets falling regularly now, and Stray Cats is under a great deal of pressure. 27 to go to at least catch up. Oh,
Chase Andy! Come on, it's stopping! Stopped!
it's like they'll take another 3 here. They might have run on all 4. And these very rare all run 4s.
Well, 4 all run.
23. 24 to win. Another one, another edge. 4 variable runs. So now comes down to 20 runs
Also
required.
very handy, another slice for 4. Score now suddenly moves up to 49.
Last ball.
7 to go, 20 runs to win. Straight down the field. 1 bounce, the ball comes back in a flash. Could be a runoff here.
Yes!
He's giving him another run. That's 3 run outs.
Well, the fielding from Darjeeling is something to behold this afternoon.
1 wicket left, I think.
But the throws have been beaten
No, 2.
left, right and centre.
Right, 19 off the last over. That's what the Stray Cats
So, just a single
need to
score
win.
now. Final over, 19 required. I should manage 8 to balls.
So they don't want any wides. 6s. Alright, let's see how they're going to run out here too.
Easy! Get it in.
So, 2 off the first delivery of the final over.
17 off 5.
Hugh Gerard punts it into the onside.
Down the ground, down the ground. Just stops up in the thick outfield. And they can handle that.
54.
So now they need 15 of 4 balls. It's a slower ball. Looks like he may have found the boundary here. No, it's pulled up. No. It looks like another run out.
Well, it looked like another run out might be in the offing, but they managed to complete the 3.
12 off 3. 12 off 3.
Alright, 4 4s. 3 4s.
57.
6 would make it very interesting. They haven't quite been able to get under the bowling. It's gone down the ground. There's a player there. No, he's going to stop it. Oh, well done. A vital stop. I don't think they can do it now.
Well done, Paul Sackley on the fence again through ball.
Well, they can do it.
How many left? 2.
10 off 2.
10 off 2. So let's see what we got here. Oh, that's 4. 6 off the last ball will win it for the Stray Cats.
4 runs down the ground. 63 the score.
Now he doesn't want to buy a wide here. That would be absolutely tragic. No balls and wides cannot happen. Here we go. He hasn't called it. He hasn't called a wide, and Darjeeling have won.
Yes, well done, Darjeeling. 2 minus the 2 of Many commiserations to the Clifton Hill Stray Cats. Well done, boys, for a great week and playing your part in a magnificent final.